Unlock your desktop's full creative potential and elevate your video editing game with CapCut on PC. First things first, you'll need to get CapCut onto your computer. Head over to the official CapCut website. A quick search will get you there. Look for the download button, specifically for the PC version, and click it to begin the installation. The process is straightforward and fast. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once CapCut is installed, launch the application. You'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface to start a new project. Simply click on the New Project button. This will open up your media library, ready for you to import your video clips, photos, and audio. Now, let's bring your content into CapCut. Click on the Import button. Navigate to where your video files are stored on your computer. Select them and click Open. You can import multiple clips at once to save time. Your imported media will now appear in the media bin. To start editing, drag and drop your video clips onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can arrange them in any order you like, trimming and splitting them to create your desired sequence. Simply hover over the edge of a clip to resize it, or use the split tool to divide a clip. CapCut for PC offers a robust suite of editing tools conveniently located in the panel. On the right, you can add text overlays with customizable fonts and animations, incorporate background music or sound effects from your library or CapCut's own collection, and even apply a wide range of visual effects and filters to enhance your footage. Explore the audio, text, effects, and filters tabs to discover these possibilities. When you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to export. Click the Export button, usually found in the top right corner here. You can choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and file name. Once you've set your preferences, click Export again, and CapCut will render your final video, ready to share. And there you have it. Simple, powerful, and totally free. Start creating amazing videos with CapCut on your PC today.